Hey guys, this will be a quick video showing you the eBay stores that you have available. There are 5 levels of eBay stores. You have the starter, the basic, the premium, the anchor, and the enterprises. Each plan has more features and benefits. The benefits of getting an eBay store is that you will get mainly lower fees, customization features, and selling tools like promotion and subscriber discounts that will help you boost your traffic. At the moment of using your store, it's like walking up the stairs. You should go step by step. Start with the first store and then move forward. I will suggest you to upgrade to one store when you start making consistent sales, not before. Depending on your sales and profits, you will know how much you are able to invest into a store. Hello guys, so in this video I will give you a couple of tools and the basics about starting your eBay business. So the first thing I will say you need to start with, it is your store name. So to make this process easier, we're going to use a tool that I have right here that is called Link Domain Search. So at the moment of choosing your store name, think about what you would like to sell on your store. Let's say you want to sell something home related. You can just put like home, and as soon as you put the word that you're looking for, you're going to start getting a lot of results. After you find something that you like, you can proceed to the next step. Use Chrome. When you're creating your store, try to use on a Google Chrome. Why? Because there are a lot of helpful tools that are only available on Google Chrome. So after you start using your Google Chrome, the next thing will be creating the Gmail account that you will use for your store. So why you should use Gmail? What happens is that Gmail, as soon as you created your account, you click right here or press here. Oh, I have it already here. You can move this anywhere you want. I just put it right here. After you click Google Docs, you press it right here and go to Google Sheets. Here, what you're going to do, so you create a new blank sheet. I'm going to put this information on the resource. Here you're going to put all your eBay account information. Why? Because when you call eBay or PayPal, they will request you all your information. So it's really important that you have all your information stored. Something cool about these Google Sheets is that you can share with more accounts. You can have store account connected with another personal account. If for some reason you forget your eBay password of your Gmail or something like that, you can just connect to the other your personal account and check this Google Sheet. Yeah, so PayPal. After you proceed with your Gmail account, store all your password. Check PayPal. On PayPal, when you sign up, if you don't have an account, create a business account. As soon as you create your PayPal account, they are going to put a hold on your payments. All the payments that you are going to receive are going to be hold like for 21 days. They will put this hold for a couple of sales. After that, you will be released and you are going to have all the money instantly. But is something that you should have on mind. Remember, do a business account. Also, when you have your PayPal account, you can go with your eBay store. So now you have your store name, your Gmail account name, and your PayPal account. You want all with the same name, so it's everything related. Remember, create your eBay. Let me when you create your account, remember also doing a business account on eBay. If you have your account already, you just press sell somewhere. Oh yeah, I have it in Spanish. Let me change this right here. So you just click on my eBay. On the drop down menu it should appear this option, sell. You just fulfill a couple of questions that they put you on. That's it. um, yeah, after you finish with your eBay store, the last step is again organize your info. Put all your password and all your information right here, so you have all your information stored. So that's all for the beginning of your setup of your eBay business account. See you in the next video. Hello guys, so on this video we're going to review the most important settings that you need to check before you start selling on eBay. So after you log into your eBay store, you want to go to my eBay tab on the right corner and click on it. After that, go on search account and click it, and then on the left it should be site preferences. Click on that, and that is going to take you to your store settings. After you get more advanced or pay for an eBay store, you will get more settings and preferences. So now let's go to selling preferences right here. Should be the first one. Show the set quantity. Make sure you have this as no. So if you have more than 10 units available in one listing, it should look like this. More than 10. Right below is going to be the next setting, the out of stock option. So make sure you mark these bots and hit apply. So this setting on the long run is going to save you a lot of money from not having to release items when they run out of stock. So now we're going to payment from buyers right here. Payment from buyers. Let's click at it. Right here where it says offer PayPal as payment, let's mark this. Tell buyers I prefer PayPal. Mark this. Alright, I'll leave this market. So click submit. Alright, let's go now to shipping preferences. Right here, and where it says global shipping program, make sure you change this to yes. So when you click it, it's going to ask you to enroll. You want to go down and click start now, and then yes. So what the global shipping program allows you to do, it allows you to sell items in other countries without actually having to ship it there. It's a really cool tool where you just ship the item to an eBay warehouse and they will be in charge of shipping the order to the customer. I do not have to worry about anything else. So don't forget to change this to yes. Let's go back now. Okay. So let's go back to shipping preferences. Here where it says exclude shipping location, let's edit this. Here are the locations you want to exclude people from being able to buy from, because most sources that you deal like Amazon and Walmart don't ship there to places like APO, USA protect race, Alaska and Hawaii. Let's click save. Perfect. Let's go back. And now let's search for unpaid item assistant. It should be down below or right here. So let's click at it. This one is a time saver. Normally is on no thanks. Just change it to yes. So what this means, when someone goes and buy your item and they haven't paid you yet, you are still responsible for paying that fee for that order. Now, if the customer did not pay you, you have to file an unpaid item case, which eBay will go ahead and refund you for that fee. When you click on the yes, this authorizes eBay to go ahead and do this automatically for you, so that way you can save some work. Let's click save. So these were the most important settings that I recommend checking out before you start selling on eBay. Make sure you have every single setting as we talk about. Hey guys, so in this video we're going to talk about PayPal and eBay fees. If you don't know, eBay and PayPal take a percentage of every sale you make for using their platform. eBay takes about 10% and PayPal takes about 3%. So on eBay you have two types of fees. They charge you with an insertion fee, that's when you create a listing, and a final value fee when your item sold. Normally every month you get up to 50 zero insertion fee listing or more if you have an eBay store. If you use 50 listing in a month or list items in multiple categories, you will pay a fee for every listing that you create. PayPal fees are automatically deducted from the payment before the balance appears in your account. Now, let's take a product as an example to calculate the fees. Here we have a product on Amazon. Is this backpack. It costs $29.99. Here we have the same backpack. You can see it's even the same information right here. So now to figure out the set fees, I like to use this tool called Final Fee Calc. So it's a simple calculator to check for your fees and profit. Now let's go back, and now let's take the price from Amazon. That is going to be our source. Now let's go back to eBay. That is going to be our selling price. Shipping charge and shipping cost is going to be 0. I say you should always do free shipping on eBay. If you are new to eBay, just leave the eBay store right here on the top paid seller as no. Right here, this is your profit, and as simple as that, you get your profit and calculate your fees. Hey guys, so in this video we're going to talk about your business policies. These are going to be the terms under the products you will be selling are. So there are 3 types of business policies. You have your payment, return, and shipping policy. So let's start first creating a new payment policy. Let me put something here in the name. You can type just anything. Default payment policy. Here on the policy description, you don't have to put anything. Let's mark this as our default payment policy. In electronic payments, make sure you check mark the PayPal bots. And here you're going to put your PayPal email. Make sure you leave these bots unchecked. If you checkmark these bots, this will affect your sales, as buyers will be requested to pay immediately or they won't be able to buy your products. You don't have to worry about any of these other options. Let's just click save and let's move on to the next setting, that's returns. You can do the same with the name. Default. Let's mark it as the default. Let's check the domestic return. Accepting returns in your products are just another way to increase sales and offer more value to your customers. Make sure you have the buyer here. You can leave these settings as they are. Leave this as buyer, so if a customer needs to return an item that they bought from you, they will have to pay for the return shipping. This doesn't apply if you send a damaged or wrong item. Here you don't have to worry about this. You should do the same in international shipping as domestic. Have the same settings and just click save. Lastly, we have our shipping policy. Let's create a new one. Let's put this as before. Now, the shipping time, you want to make sure you have it as flat. And on service, you want to look for standard shipping, that is about 1 to 5 days. Standard shipping. You want to make sure you offer free shipping in all your listings, as is proof to increase your sales. On handling time, this is going to be the time that you will have to ship your products. 3 days works just great. So in international shipping, you want to make sure you have the global shipping program mark, and on alternative shipping, leave it as now. And here below where it says exclude shipping locations, let's click it. Remember to exclude these 3 locations as we did previously in another video, and click apply. And then save. So those were the 3 business policies that you need to check before you start selling on eBay.